Reporting is still a huge friction point for most agencies. Why? Because the likes of Amazon and Walmart are sharing more data than ever. You've got clients whose expectations of agencies are higher than ever. To add to all of this, you've got growing channels like TikTok Shop and TikTok Ads to contend with. Today, I'm thrilled to introduce the 2.0 version of Intentwise's agency reporting solutions, built to make your reporting effortless and impressive at the same time. Our data collection and data pipelines now include new data sources. We have taken the visual experience of our dashboards several notches up. We have made the dashboards far more interactive. The dashboard library is broader than ever, and it now spans advertising, retail, competitive intelligence, and Amazon Marketing Cloud data all in one place. You can stand up a white label, client-facing reporting portal in just a couple of days. To top it all, our custom analytics services lets you bring your own unique stories to life. We help you design and launch custom dashboards in a matter of days, not weeks, not months. We would love for you to come check out our solution. Follow the link in my comment below.